नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आमच्या चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. आणि या चॅनलमार्फत आपल्या मनामध्ये गणित आणि विज्ञान या विषयाबद्दल जी भीती आहे तर ती भीती दूर करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जाणार आहे. तर चला तर मग आज आपण पाहूया मॅथ्स सेकंडमधला पहिला टॉपिक सिमिलॅरिटी. समरूपतेबद्दल तुम्ही माहिती मागील वर्गात तर घेतलेलीच आहे. तर या पाठामध्ये आपण पाहूया की त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ आणि समरूपता यांचा काय संबंध आहे. तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉपर्टीज रिलेटेड टू एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. सो लेट स्टार्ट. पहिल्यांदा आपण दोन ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ आउट करू. हा एक ट्रायंगल, name it as A, B and C. Draw another triangle. Name it as triangle PQR. I am going to draw height. AD is the height in triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR PS is the height. Okay, and we know the formula to calculate area of triangle. The commonly used formula is area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Okay, you must have studied in the previous standard. Therefore, let's calculate the area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base BC to height 80. Let it be equation first. Similarly, in triangle PQR, so area of triangle PQR will be half into its base QR into height PS. Height is always perpendicular to the base. Okay. Now we are going to count its ratio. Therefore, to calculate the ratio, we must have divided them. Therefore, the left hand side, if divided by the left hand side of the second equation, we will get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PS. So from equation first and second, or dividing equation first and second, dividing equations. So half will get cancel and we will get BC into AD upon QR into PS. You can write in this way: BC upon QR, both are the bases of given triangles, into AD upon PS. These are the heights of given triangles. So in this way, finally we can say that area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is proportional to the product of their bases and heights. In this way, we have studied the first property, that is, if when two triangles been given and nothing common in them, then the ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of product of their bases and heights. Okay, this is the first property. In general statement, you can write if A1 and A2 are the areas of any two triangles, so A1 upon A2 is equal to, suppose B1 and B2 are the bases and H1 and H2 are the heights, so B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So in this way, A1 upon A2, the ratio of areas is equal to ratio of product of base and height, corresponding bases and heights. This is the generalized statement of the above property. आता याच्यावरती जे प्रश्न विचारले जातात, याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कोणत्याही बेसिसच्या व्हॅल्यू दिल्या जातील, एका हाईटची व्हॅल्यू दिली जाईल आणि यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट द हाईट ऑफ द अनदर ट्रायंगल. इफ एरियाज आर गिवन, then you can calculate the remaining values. This is the first property. You will get its PDF in the description box. तर याचं तुम्हाला PDF जे आहे ते डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सच्या लिंकमध्ये मिळेल. त्यामुळे फक्त हे समजलं असेल तर आपण नेक्स्ट पुढे मूव्ह होऊया. याच्यावरून आणखी एक प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला डिराईव्ह करता येईल. या दोन ट्रायंगलमध्ये नथिंग कॉमन, बट इफ बेसिस आर कॉमन, देन let's elaborate it. Suppose length of base BC has been given 8 centimeter, and also length of base of this triangle, that is base QR, length of base QR will be 8 centimeter. Then in this case you can say that the bases are common, the bases are equal. Okay, now there are some another conditions also. For example, if such triangles been given, suppose here there are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BDC, their heights are in this way. In such a condition also, the base BC is common. Here the bases are equal, but here the bases are common. Another example for another condition. Name them as A, B and C and T. In these two triangles also, base BC is common. So it is condition number second, condition third. Here the bases are equal, but in these two cases, the bases are common. And when bases are common, then the equation become, so the generalized statement will be A1 upon A2 is equal to, bases are common. So let's write the previous equation or previous form. Area, ratio of areas equal to product of base and height. So in this case, as the bases are common or equal, so bases get cancelled, and finally you will get the ratio of the areas is equal to ratio of the corresponding heights. Or in simple words, you can say that the ratios, the areas are proportional to their heights. Areas are proportional to their heights. Areas are proportional to their heights. Got me? So in this way, जर बेस इक्वल असतील किंवा कॉमन असतील तर त्या त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर जे आहे ते त्यांच्या उंचीच्या गुणोत्तर एवढे येते. म्हणजे त्यांचा एरिया आणि उंची यांची गुणोत्तरे समान येतात. So this is the second property. That is the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal base or common base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay. So this is the second property where the bases are equal. But in some cases, so let's discuss about the third property. In some cases, now suppose the heights are equal. Let's third condition. Heights are equal or common. Okay. Suppose length of height AD will be 5 centimeter and length of height PS in triangle PQR is also 5 centimeter. Then heights are here equal. In some cases, like if there are two parallel lines, line L, line M, L is parallel to M, and if two triangles, suppose these two triangles, name them as ABC and ADE. In these two triangles, as the distance between two parallel lines is always equal, always remains constant, so heights of these two triangles is equal, and therefore now in the second case the heights are equal as they are between two parallel lines. These two triangles lie between two parallel lines. In another condition, suppose for example, this is triangle ABC. Okay. Now there are three triangles altogether: triangle ABC, triangle BAD, and triangle ADC. And this one is the common height. A is the common height of three triangles: triangle ABC, triangle ABD, and triangle ADC. Okay. So these are the conditions. In first condition, the height is equal because value has been given. या कंडिशन मध्ये दोन पॅरलल लाईन मध्ये हे दोन ट्रायंगल आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांची उंची नेहमी सारखी असते. या कंडिशन मध्ये, इन दिस कंडिशन, व्हर्टेक्स इज कॉमन. व्हर्टेक्स A इज कॉमन. व्हर्टेक्स A is common. This is the condition. And bases, base BC of triangle ABC, base BD of this triangle, and base DC of this triangle, they are collinear, and bases are collinear. Bases are collinear. Then in such case also the heights are equal, and when heights are equal, then their areas are proportional to their, so the general form will become, let me write the general form, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is the general form for the areas of, for the ratios of areas of any two triangles. But now in this case heights are equal, so heights get cancelled. So the areas are now proportional to their bases, or the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal or common height. You can state in this way: the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal or common height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So in general form you can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So in this way, this is the third property. In the first property, nothing common. There was nothing common. In the second property, the bases are common, were common or equal. But in the third property, the heights are equal or common. So the ratio of areas will be equal to the ratio of corresponding bases. These are the three important properties you will have to use while solving any problem related to similarity. You must have, आता तुम्ही पाहिलंच असेल की याप्रमाणे मग आता चौथी कंडिशन आपण पाहूया की जर हाईट आणि बेस सुद्धा इक्वल असतील तर let's discuss about the fourth condition. Heights and bases are equal. Heights and bases equal. Height and bases equal. Height and bases equal. For example, suppose length of base BC is 10 centimeter. Length of base QR is also 10 centimeter. Height of PS 5 centimeter. Height of AD 5 centimeter. In this case, bases are equal as well as heights are also equal. But in some conditions, like suppose two parallel lines been given. This is triangle first. This is triangle second. Name it as vertex A, B, C and D. Here A is parallel to M. Therefore, you will find out that here the base AB is common. Base AB is common for both the triangles, for triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Base AB is common, and also you know that the height is also equal. Height is also common because height is nothing but the distance between two parallel lines, and so it is also equal in this case. And when heights and bases are equal, then if you write the general formula A1 by A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So bases get cancelled, height also get cancelled, and the ratio will become 1 by 1, or A1 is equal to A2. So in this way, if the fourth property, if both heights and bases are equal, or height and bases are common, then the ratio of their areas is equal to 1, or they are equal in area. They are equal in area. The triangles, given triangles, are equal in area. So these are the four properties we have studied. We have to apply these properties in solving most of the problems related to similarity. So we have studied in this way we have studied the first property, where nothing common. So you must have right that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is the first property. In the second property, ratio, if bases are common or equal, then A1 by A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. In the third property, if heights are common, then bases, the ratio of areas is equal to corresponding bases. And in the fourth property, you studied that the ratios are exactly equal because bases and heights are equal. So in this way we have studied four properties related to the areas of any two triangles. And keep in mind, sometimes suppose such a figure given, this is triangle ABC, and if there are so many triangles, two or more triangles, and if they have collinear bases, suppose name these triangles as, here the bases are collinear, base BD of this triangle, base DE is of this triangle, base EF of this triangle, and base FC of this triangle, and base BC of the bigger triangle are collinear. हे एक रेषीय आहेत, आणि जर त्यांचे पाये एक रेषीय असतील, and if they have common vertex, then they have equal height. ओके, तर ही कंडिशन नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा. अशा प्रकारे जर एखादं तुम्हाला आकृती आली तर समजून जायचं कंडिशन की इथं इक्वल हाईट आहे अँड द एरियाज विल बी प्रपोर्शनल टू देअर बेसिस. त्याचप्रमाणे जर पॅरलल लाईन जर असतील आणि जर त्याच्यामध्ये दोन किंवा अधिक त्रिकोण समाविष्ट असतील तर त्या दोन किंवा अधिक त्रिकोणांची हाईट इक्वल असते आणि हाईट जर इक्वल असेल तर अगेन द एरियाज आर प्रपोर्शनल टू देअर बेसिस. सो अशा प्रॉपर्टी आपण इथे शिकलेल्या आहोत. तर याची पूर्ण PDF लिंक तुम्हाला आमच्या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये मिळेल. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला तिथे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये जावं लागेल आणि व्हिडिओ जर आवडला तर याला चांगल्या प्रकारे लाईक करून शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.